Hey everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you the clear watermark tutorial on CapCut. So first, add a green screen picture to CapCut, then click on tags and add your tags. Okay, for example, and then I'm going to change the font first into this one, and adjust the size if you like. Click on the check icon and then export it. Click on done and then open your project. For example, I want to add into this videos right here, and then add the green screen overlay. Add the green screen video as an overlay. Click on add, adjust the size like this, and then go to cutout. Click on Go to cutout, click on chroma key, and then drag the color picker into the green color, and then set the intensity and also the shadow into 100. Click on a check icon, go back and click on splice, and then click on overlay. Click on a check icon, and now you are done. So here is the clear watermark like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.